Hey, Lori Ballen here. Today I just want to simply show you how to change the publish date in WordPress Gutenberg. Now, we talked recently on one of my webinars about the fact that sometimes having an older date or showing a date on your blog post can be beneficial to Google, and it also can encourage somebody to click on it if they see the date and it's recent. On the flip side of that, if your date is showing on the search engines and it's an older date, there is a chance that somebody will consider it old and won't actually choose to click on that, and that'll hurt your click-through rate, which in turn can also hurt your search engine rankings. So what I do is I regularly go through my blog posts and check them out, do an update, maybe add another paragraph, look and see if there's anything that could use updated, check my internal linking strategy, and then after I make some changes on here, I go up here to publish date. Now again, this is with the Gutenberg plugin. Right now it's a plugin, and at some point WordPress will roll out their Gutenberg theme to everybody, and we will all be doing this. Okay, so just here where there's a link, click on publish date, and then you can actually go ahead and just move this to your current date. Okay, and then just click update, and you'll be able to see that that date has changed. So showing the date then could be very beneficial in the search engines. You just don't want to make it look like you've got a bunch of old content that hasn't been updated. Check out my other trainings at loriballen.com. I also have a complete training system on how to dominate your market on the internet, and you can find that at theballenmethod.com or ranklikeaboss.com. I also own a digital marketing company where we can help write your blogs, build your website, manage your pay-per-click marketing, and you can find all of that at ballenbrands.com.